Have you ever pondered the cleanliness of our universe? Imagine the universe as a ceaselessly churning factory, and the Earth as a bustling, ever-changing guest house. In such places, dirt and waste could be expected to pile up, making the environment inhospitable. Yet the universe and our Earth are immaculately clean. There's not a speck of unnecessary substance or random dirt. If any appears, it's immediately dealt with, transformed, and cleaned. Consider the stars. In a study spanning 7 years, 100 astronomers discovered something fascinating. Stars act like cosmic vacuum cleaners, gathering cosmic dust and particles. Bit by bit, they're making the universe cleaner and galaxies brighter. So, the universe isn't just a vast expanse of stars and galaxies, but a meticulously maintained system that ensures its own cleanliness. Now, let's shift our gaze from the stars and galaxies to our own planet. Our Earth's atmosphere performs a remarkable cleaning act. It's a lot more efficient at purifying itself than we once thought. Picture a cycle of constant self-cleansing. Water evaporates from the Earth's surface, leaving behind any sediments it may have contained. This purified water is then stored in clouds, those majestic structures in the sky that can carry tons of water. And when the time is right, down comes the rain. But this isn't just a simple downpour, it's a cleaning operation. As the rain falls, it carries with it dust particles that were suspended in the air, effectively tidying up our atmosphere. Once it hits the ground, the water continues its journey, filtering through various layers of soil. It's purified further and eventually emerges as groundwater, ready for us to drink. So, even our very own atmosphere contributes to the cleanliness of our planet, and by extension, the universe. Water isn't just a vital resource for life, it's a universal cleaner and transporter. This humble molecule, composed of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, has some pretty extraordinary properties. One of these properties is its ability to dissolve a vast array of substances. It's this ability that earned water its title as the universal solvent. Water's role as a solvent is crucial in our bodies. It helps in the dissolution of vital molecules, allowing them to travel to and interact with the cells that need them. This includes nutrients from the food we eat, oxygen from the air we breathe, and waste products that need to be removed. But water's job doesn't stop there. It also plays a significant role in the removal of waste from our bodies. Working in harmony with our kidneys, water aids in the filtration and removal of waste, keeping our bodies clean and functioning optimally. Water, the universal solvent, plays a crucial role in maintaining cleanliness, both on a planetary and a biological level. Bacteria often gets a bad rap, but they're the unsung heroes of our cleaning system. This might surprise you, but these microscopic organisms are the unsung heroes of recycling. They're everywhere, in the soil, water, air, and even inside us. They work tirelessly, breaking down waste and recycling it back into the environment. In fact, without bacteria, life as we know it would grind to a halt. They are the ultimate recyclers. Bacteria are nature's decomposers. They break down dead plants and animals into their basic components, making them available for other organisms to use. They're like the universe's recycling service, taking what's old and making it new again. They also play a crucial role in the carbon cycle, helping to convert carbon dioxide into oxygen, a process we all rely on to breathe. But it's not just in the environment where bacteria work their cleaning magic. They're also hard at work inside our bodies. Yes, you heard it right. Our bodies are home to trillions of bacteria, most of which are beneficial and essential for our health. Take our digestive system, for instance. It's a bustling metropolis of bacteria helping to break down food and extract nutrients. They help us to digest what we eat, turning waste into valuable resources that our bodies can use. But the cleaning doesn't stop there. Our bodies are equipped with their own internal cleaning factories. The liver, for instance, works around the clock to detoxify our blood, breaking down harmful substances and converting them into waste products that our bodies can safely eliminate. It's like a sophisticated waste management system, ensuring our bodies stay healthy and clean. Then there's the kidneys, our body's filtration system. They work tirelessly, filtering out toxins and waste from our blood. Every minute, our kidneys filter around 1 liter of blood, removing waste and excess water. It's a relentless job, but these organs are up to the task, helping to keep our bodies clean and healthy. From the tiniest bacteria to the largest stars, every element in our universe plays a part in maintaining the cosmic cleanliness we often take